Alright guys, so we have a Audi Q7. I'm going to show you how to change the front brake pads. In the previous video I showed you guys how to do the rear brake pads and rotors. So of course you want to jack up the vehicle, and then we're going to take off these covers and I'll show you what's next. 5 of them. You're strong enough, you probably don't even need a tool. Probably do it with your hand. Alright, now let's move on to the lug nuts. Remove these studs. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, there's 5. Sometimes you got to kick off the tire, but it came off pretty good. That to the side. Now I'm gonna turn the wheel towards me. Alright, so you're gonna take your 13 and break this free. And before you take all the threads out, get a few threads. Let's tap this. And I just keep doing that. Just tap it. If you have to hammer hard, don't do it. See, stud's good. Just tap it. Now you're going to take your punch. Glove got caught. Here we go. Hardware's in the way. Just push the hardware back if you can. There you go. Alright, now let me try to get my punch in there. And there we go. And there you go. And now let's remove the brake wire from the harness. Let's turn it sideways. There you go. Now I'm gonna take I might not be able to grab onto it. Hold on, let me see. Yep, I got it. Now we're just removing the sensor here. This looks pretty good, but I think I'm gonna have to place it anyway because it looked like it was touched on the opposite side. And we're replacing this anyway. I just want to see how it looks. Oh well. So next thing you want to do is separate these pads from the rotor. Same thing to the other side. Alright, now we got enough space to try to get my pry bar in there. If not, let's do the same thing up top. There we go. Now the pry bar is in. Now let's push these pistons in. Okay. Now remove the brake pad. I like to clean up the surface here. And also add anti-seize. But do not push too hard because this caliper is aluminum. So just crack. And you do not want to replace this caliper. Now you take your anti-seize, run along the edge. Like so. Try not to get any on the pad. If you do, you could just wipe it off. No big deal. Alright, now let's take our pad and install it. Here we go. Let's line this up. Here we go. And now we still got to push this piston in. Let's see if I can get my pry bar in there. There we go. Let's do the same thing to the other side. Get all these pistons in. Remove the brake pad. Yeah, wasn't it? That wasn't coming out. Glad we're replacing that. Alright, now I'm going to clean this up. top as well. Okay. Didn't show you guys, but I sprayed the other side. Alright, now we got all that dust out. Take your anti-seize or your brake lube. Let's do the same thing. Let's just try to get the brake pad, backing plate, and try to stay away from the pad. Same here. There we go. Now you just take your brake pad and you install. And there we go. Looks pretty good. Once you get the pad in, customer's getting a new sensor, so we're waiting on that. So I'll show you guys what's next once she gets back. Alright, so the customer just got back with the parts. So I'm gonna just take off the sensor here. It's broken anyway. There we go. Alright. Now you take this part right here, goes against the pad like so. So you guys can see better. There we go. Gonna take our hardware. Now let's get her through. Just try to make sure that's aligned. At least it matters more when we're on the other end. Oh, come on, girl, you got this. There we go. Hardware looks good. Let's align that. Should take it back some. Is that good? Let's see. No. This is what I would do. Get some threads, and I'll see if we can straighten her out when we tighten it. Because I did notice that it always moves when you're tightening. Yep. Look at that. There we go. Let's tighten this up. You don't want to over torque this, so make sure it's really snug. Let's get this wire behind here, and here's your second wire sensor here. Make sure that's in there. Okay, and now just plug and play. And there we go. Looks pretty good. All right, now let's put this wheel back on. Let's see, is this good? Yeah, that's good. All right, now set the other ones by hand. Then you want to torque. Put the cats back on. There we go. Just drop that.